feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they...
Alright guys, you're highly welcome to my channel once again today. Real quick guys, today I am going to share with you guys these powerful tips and tricks that you guys are seeing right now on my chart, and also this strategy or this indicator that you are seeing right now on my chart. I am going to share with you guys how this indicator works with this price action here, and how you are going to capitalize on this indicator to make a lot of money trading volatility 75 index. All right, so again, I am going to also share with you guys how to avoid being gambling with your hard-earned money, all in the name of trading forex. All right, so if you really don't know how to trade volatility 75 index, not only volatility 75 index, if you really don't know how to trade all these synthetic indices, there is no shame in you contacting me or contacting someone else that will teach you how to do it, because there is no way you'll be trading or you'll be gambling with your hard-earned money all in the name of you are trying to make a living from what you don't know how to do it. All right, so I normally state my my facts clear, because there is no need for you to keep gambling with your hard-earned money. All right, so that is why I really want to address this issue on this particular video. So I will suggest you do yourself that favor and watch from beginning to the end. Do not try to skip any part, because I am going to detail everything that has been keeping you down not to make money from this market. All right, so trading of volatility 75 index and other synthetic indices, they are very, very simple. It's all about you calm down, learn how to follow the instructions. It's as simple as that. If you ever think of making money from the market, or be it synthetic indices or normal forex trading, that is currency trading, there is no way you will just jump into the market without you knowing the do's and don'ts of that particular market. Even in the real world market, you have to follow the rules, you have to follow the tactics and all that before you be able to start making money from it. So with that being said, this forex trading is not excluded from that. You just have to follow the instruction, you just have to follow the do's and don'ts of the market before you start making money from it. All right, so that is it. So with that being said, before we dive fully into the video, if this is your first time of hearing my voice, or if this is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Olitex from globalfx, and what I do here is whenever I found strategy or whenever I come across tips and tricks that is working perfectly fine, I make sure I share it with you guys here so that you too will try it out and see how it goes. All right, so that is exactly what I am doing here on this channel. So if you are new to my channel and you love to be getting content like this, I want you to smash that subscribe button, and also in appreciation to all this free content that I've been sharing with you guys, the only thing that you can do for me right now is for you to smash that like button. All right, so I really appreciate it if you can smash that like button, turn on your notification bell as well, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you will not exclude yourself from being in the community. All right, so that you'll be getting notification whenever I upload or share content like this. All right, so that is it guys. So with that being said guys, let's dive into the video. Let me share with you guys how these tricks and tips works. All right, so first thing first guys, when you look at this thing that you are seeing right now on my chart, when you look at these indicators that you are seeing right here on my chart, this is just RSI and CCI. All right, so now I am going to share the settings with you guys, but before I do that, I want you to understand something about indicators and about you making use of indicators when trading any of the pairs, be it currency pair or be it synthetic indices. All right, so trading of synthetic indices is very simple, just as I said at the beginning of this video. All right, so what you just need to do is for you to do your analysis properly. All right, do your top-down analysis on any pair that you want to trade first. And for you to do any top-down analysis, you just have to start your analysis from daily time frame. And once you start your analysis on daily time frame, you will be able to see the clearer picture of that particular pair that you want to trade. All right, so that is the spot that you'll be able to hold on. All right, that is the edge, and that is the direction that you will be able to hold on. And whatever order or whatever trade or time frame that you are going to break the chart down to, whenever or whatever trade or whatever position that you are going to open on any of the lower time frame, you'll be opening that position towards that your analysis on higher time frame. All right, so let me take, for instance, this is 4-hour time frame, guys. All right, this is 4-hour time frame. Let's just go to the current market right now. This is 4-hour time frame. You can see that here. All right, you can see that here. This is 4-hour time frame. All right, so now on this 4-hour time frame, look at what is happening here. All right, look at what is happening here. When you look at this zone here, you will see rejection at this zone. You will see rejection at this zone. All right, so not only that, when you scroll back like this, you will see another rejection somewhere here. All right, you will see another one here. You will see another one here. So all these things that I'm showing you guys, you have to just follow this. You just have to know all these things. All right, without you knowing all these things, there is no way you are going to make money from the market. And for you to dictate all these things that I just said right now is very, very simple. When you go to a higher time frame, just as you can see from here right now, this is 4-hour time frame. So for me to open any position here, or for me to walk towards opening position on this time frame here, what I just need to do is for me to plot my probably my resistance and support, or my trend line. All right, now let's just do this. Look at this here. Let me take, for instance, I draw this here. All right, so look at this. What I'm trying to achieve right now on this higher time frame is this. All this market movement has been retesting on this particular place, this particular triangle, or this particular thing that I drew here. All right, you will see that all these things has been retesting on this place. So what I will be watching out for, or what I will be patiently waiting for, should be if this particular current candle closes if this particular current candle closes below this particular support that I drew here. All right, if it closes there and another candle forms at this place and start coming down, let's say, for instance, I spot another candle coming down from this zone after one has closed below this. Now what I just need to do is for me to go to my lower time frame. So I don't have any reason to be going backward this side and be looking something. Not that it is not good for you to check the previous market's movement, but with this particular one that you are seeing right here now is what you just need to focus on, because you want to make use of this particular breakthrough. If the market breaks below this, you are planning on taking opening any position. All right, you are planning on opening a position from this zone once this market closes below this. So that is why you need to concentrate fully on this particular place. All right, so if you are trading currency pair as well, this same strategy works perfectly on every pair, every forex trading. All right, so if you are a forex trader that knows what you are doing, you will definitely agree, or you will definitely align with what I'm talking right now. The problem is that most of us that are teaching how to do this thing does not have that time to break all these things down to you guys like this, so that you'll be able to understand this. I am doing this not that you are paying me to do this. I am doing it because if I make my own money and you make your own money, both of us will win. And that is the better world that we are praying for. All right, so since I have the knowledge to put you guys on how to do this, It will not take me anything for me to analyze this the way I am doing it right now. So that is the reason, or that is the more reason you need to smash that like button in appreciation to this, because most of people out there, most of us, or most of people that are teaching how to do this thing, we never come down this way to analyze the chart so that you will understand where you are getting it wrong. Now, when you look at this, our indicator here, all right, that is the more reason sometimes, or most at times, you will see that my videos, I don't use indicators most at times, because I believe in price action. So whatever this price action, or whatever this thing that I marked here show me, that is exactly what I will follow. And I've been using it for a very long time, and it has never disappointed me. So there is no way it's going to disappoint me right now. All right. So because why it cannot, or it can never disappoint, is this: price action is price action. Price action does not change. It remains the same. All right. So far you do your top-down analysis properly, it will definitely obey your instruction. It will definitely obey all the facts that probably you want to buy, and you run your analysis and you realize that, okay, this market will be buying so time. Based on you have done your top-down analysis and you follow the price action, the trend, that is it. You are good to go. These indicators, these particular things that you are seeing here, they might deceive you into going or opening a wrong position. But with price action, there is no way you are going to be deceived. All right. So now, when you look at this, people that does not know all these things that I'm telling you right now, people that fail to calm down and learn all these things that I'm telling you right now, those are the people that play with their hard-earned money, all in the name of trading forex. All right. Trading forex is very, very profitable. At least technology has made it very easy for us to trade forex. But most of you still stick to the old fashion, whereby you be believing what people are telling you, or what you are hearing from here, and you fail to calm down. When you get informations like this, you need to do your own research to back it up. All right, so that you'll be able to trade profitably and successfully. Why I am stressing on this is just because most of you are complaining that you are not making money trading. And you love to trade forex market, but you are losing money instead of making money. It does not make sense, guys. It does not make sense. So now, what you are going to do right now, after marking this, now we have marked this together. All right, we have marked this particular thing together. So for me to know what this market will be doing, now you can see that this one already, the indicator here is already pointing down. You can see that. That is, had it been we didn't mark this, or we did not know about what I am explaining right now, we are going to join this, and at the end of the day, we will get our account blown. All right, we will get our account blown because of this. Excuse me. So now, what you are going to do right now after marking this is for you to go to your lower time frame. I am giving you an instances on how to break and how to do your top-down analysis. Now, you go to your, probably, let me say 1 hour. Now, look at our 1 hour time frame. Remember that this particular indicator was pointing down, right? Now, look at the indicator that was pointing down. Look at it. You see this is buying from here. You can see this here. And look at what we marked. All right. Look at how many candles have closed below it. Are you seeing it? Now, when you look at this right now, you will see that you cannot do anything here, because one, this particular one is buying. With what this indicator is showing us, is buying. But with what this particular one is showing us here, sorry about that, with what this particular indicator is showing us is buying. But when you look at it at this zone here, you will see that the buy is below this that's supposed to be our support, that we are looking, if it breaks below, we are going to sell. And look at what is happening on 1 hour time frame. Now, on our higher time frame, which is probably where we started this analysis, which is 4-hour time frame, we are expecting the market to break below this, all right? We're expecting the market to break below this so that we will place our position for sell. But on 1-hour time frame, look at what we are seeing here. Now let's go to probably 15-minute time frame. Let me rush the video, because let me tell you you guys something. It is better you stick from beginning of this video to the ending of this video for you to gain all the knowledge that I want to share with you, or that I'm sharing with you guys here, than for you to be looking at it that this video is too long. All right, so if there have to be someone that will be in a haste or in a hurry here, it should be me. So calm down and take all the necessary learn all the necessary things and pick all the necessary information that you really need to start trading right away. All right, so now when we go to probably 15-minute time frame, now look at what is going on. All right, look at the 15-minute time frame. You can see clearly that this is buying, but this is not a proper buy. This market, when it gets to this 50 level here, it might reverse. And look at what is happening. Look at this here. You will see that as soon as this market, you see this candle, this current candle, you see long wick from there coming back down. All right, so that is exactly what many of you fail to understand, and that is why you will just or someone will just say, okay, you joined one particular signal group, and the person will just send out signals, say, okay, you people should buy, it's time to buy or it's time to sell. You will just dive into your account and open for buy or sell. I am not saying that the person that sent out the signal did a wrong thing, or the person does not know what he or she is doing. The signal might be accurate when the person sends the signal out. There are many factors that might change the signal. One, network. All right, your network might, or your network provider might hold the message before getting to you. The signal or the market, or the signal that the person posted might have gone very far and is about to take profit before you receive it, and you will run and open the same signal on your own account, not knowing when and what are the factors that will be holding the signal down. Secondly, you need to do your top-down analysis whenever you receive signals like that, and see if what the signal is saying is correlating with what you are analyzing on your chart before opening that position. It will help you, and it will go a long way for you to start making money. Now, the way I was the way I've been telling you guys about all these things, it seems as if I am standing to gain something from it. I'm just trying to help you guys so that you guys will start making money. All right, so now this is 15-minute time frame. When you look at 5-minute time frame, look at what is going on here. Look at it here. It's selling from 5-minute time frame, and look at it here. All right, so exactly what we spot on our 4-hour time frame is happening here, but we are not going to do anything here. Whenever we are going to, or if we happen to do anything, it should be a quick scalping, because whenever you see this particular line that is coming here, and at this level of 50 here, all right, at the level of this 50, if this line fall back to this level 50 and start coming back down, we can open a quick scalping and TP at this 16 level here. All right, it's as simple as that. But you cannot do that, because when you look at this particular place, look at how many weeks at the same zone. I don't know whether you guys are understanding. Look at different, almost 5 to 6 weeks here. That is to say, the market might reverse and it might continue going down. But we do not care about what is going on here. Once we go to our higher time frame where we started this analysis, and we see, you can see that it's breaking through. All right, it's breaking this support here. You can see that. All right, the current candle is showing us bearish here, and it's below this. So once it closes below this place and another candle forms, all right, and start coming back down, so we can now move back to our 5-minute time frame here. And as soon as we move back to this our 5-minute time frame and spot that this particular line that we are seeing here is somewhere here, and we already see that it has broken that support on higher time frame, which is our 4-hour time frame where we started this analysis, and we meet probably this particular indicator or this particular line here, this red line from above here, our 84 level here, or somewhere here. In fact, you are entitled to open that position. Once you open it, allow it to run. All right, allow it to run, and what you'll be encountering on that position should be, if you go to 15-minute time frame, according to what we analyze, you see that some of those places are buying, some of those time frame are buying. All right, some of those time frames that we checked was buying, but once you pick it from that level, as I said right now, from 5-minute time frame, before we get to that particular time zones that are buying, you are already in profit. And no matter what the retracement might be, it is not going to get to that entry point. All right, because overall trend is telling you the same thing that the 5-minute time frame is telling you. So any other thing that the time frames are telling you within that 2 time frames, you don't need to consider it. So far you follow this instruction, these things that I analyzed to you guys right now. All right, so that is just the way for you to avoid gambling with your hard-earned money, all in the name of trading forex. Forex trading is very, very sweet and is very, very profitable if you really follow these instructions as I said, or as I stated it right here. So that is it, guys. And also, as I said earlier on, if you love content like this, make sure to smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. I really need your like on this video. All right, so that is it. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button as well, and also make sure to share this video with your loved ones and friends that are also struggling to make money online. Also, so that is it, guys. And also, let me share the settings with you so that you will understand how to set your screen as well. You click on this F icon here. Once you click on the F icon, the first indicator that you are going to add should be this our RSI. All right, when you click on RSI, look at the settings here. The period is 2, apply to close, star is 1 pixel, the color of your background. Then look at this place. This is where you're going to add the levels. All right, once you click on this place, you add your level. We have 84, 16 and 50. All right, so that is it. Your 50 should ever be take profit. And also, whenever the red line crosses this 50 and you are buying, let me take for instance, if the red line crosses this particular 50 and you are buying, that is to say the trend is strong enough for you to buy and wait for it to get to this 84 before you close. All right, that is the essence of this CCI here. All right, so whenever you want to sell and you see that this particular this particular line that we are talking about here is below this 50 level, is a very strong signal for you to open your position. And when you look at it, okay, let's just gauge it and you will see that. Look at it here. Let me take for instance, I want to open a position for sale. Now, for me to reconfirm that this signal or this position is very sure, look at it. You can see that here. You see where you are going to open that position, and look at where that correspond with here at this 50 level. So you open that position there, you wait until it gets to this 16 level. That is when you exit your market. All right, so that is the work of this particular CCI inside the RSI. So you go back to the F icon again, you add the CCI. All right, the period is 9, apply to weighted close, star is 3 pixel, use color of your choice. Then that is it. You click done. That is what you just need here. So once you set your screen this way, you'll be able to follow the instructions that I shared with you guys here. All right, so that is it, guys. And also, if you want to learn more, or you want me to mentor you on how to trade volatility 75 index and even currency pair trading, guys, I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. What you just need to do is contact me, send me a message on WhatsApp requesting for mentorship program. And also I want to make one thing clear: mentorship programs are not for free. All right, it is not a free service. All right, so I cannot be sharing this type of information and this type of free content with you guys here that are very, very rare. And you also come to my DM to ask me if mentorship are free. It does not work that way, guys. So mentorships are not for free. So if you are contacting me, or make sure you are contacting me for the fact that you want me to mentor you on how to trade any of these pairs. So I am going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. What you just need to do is for you to send me a message and request for mentorship program, and I'm going to send you the breakdown on how to start the program. And also, if you want to invest, I've been saying this for past few or 4 or 5 videos right now. If you want to invest, this is the right time for you to request for your investment. All right, so if you want to make an investment, I am open to investment now, so you can contact me based on that, and I will also send you breakdown on how to go about that. Also, I am going to leave the link to my books in the description of this video. The books will teach you how to go about all this is more. Just you need to go through those books and make sure you combine whatever you read from the books with what I am sharing with you guys here, and you are going to make a lot of money trading forex. All right, so that is it, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.